What it do, YouTube? This is your boy Richie Rich Mo, back at it again with another video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you do two things: like and subscribe. We're growing every single day, and today is a beautiful, beautiful day. Well, technically, it's not a beautiful day. It's a fucking 100 degrees today in the Bay Area, so I'm sweating like bullets. You can see I'm sweaty. Today we have a special thing. I'm in my RSX, my 2004, and today is the first modification. Now, the main thing I wanted to do was get the headlights replaced. The headlights are extremely bad shape when I bought the car. Overall, the car is in actually good shape for how much I bought it for. The interior is immaculate. There's nothing really wrong with the interior besides the steering wheel, but outside is kind of like a few little defects that we got on the car, on the outside, on the exterior. So one of the main things I really wanted to work on, just so I could just like feel good driving it, was to get the headlights replaced. Now, the headlights that are originally on the car is stock, but they are so cloudy and damaged. I even made a video before trying to restore it with headlight restorers and all that stuff, but just didn't happen, and I wasn't planning on keeping them forever. I just wanted to basically just make it look nicer so I could feel comfortable. Like, I don't like driving raggedy shit. So with that being said, today we are going to replace the two headlights, and the one I got is actually super nice. It's actually like an OEM, but it comes with the black housing. This one, the original one, is just all clear and it just looks weak. So I like the dark, because the dark behind the lights kind of actually give it like some type of aggressive look. So that's number one. This is the first mod. I had this car for a while, and man, I got to get it smogged, and then we good, man. So right now, like I said, we about to work on it, and then tomorrow we do have another surprise for this car, another modification for the car tomorrow. But you got to stay tuned and watch the video tomorrow. And yeah, so it is burning up. It's super hot. I'm literally in my car trying to stay out the sun as I'm recording this video. I'm not gonna really do too much on how to do it. Like, usually I used to always record the process of changing certain things. I just want to knock this shit out. It's 100-some degrees. I'm gonna show you guys here and there. Like, once I take something off, I show you, and then once I put something on, I show you, and then I show you the aftermath. But like I said, I want to get this car really worked on, and I just been slacking, but now we back at it, and I'm actually making it look super nice. So the whole plan was not to do anything to the motor. I want to make sure the motor is just like completely stock, because right now, if you don't know, California have the highest gas in the world. So we like $7 plus right now in a lot of areas. So gas is high. So for the most part, I'm going to keep this car stock. Motor wise, I love the K20 motor. It's perfect for daily. And I probably ain't gonna do anything. I'll probably just put like an intake on it, exhaust, and tune it. I don't really want to do too much. I'm not trying to make it a race car, but I am going to make it look badass. We're gonna have aero kits and all this shit, body kit, all that stuff with it, but one step at a time. It's hella hot. I'm gonna actually move my car in the garage, but I'm gonna show you guys the lights. Look at the baby right there, man, just looking real good. But we're gonna build this car and make this car look even extra super raw. So let's go outside and see. Yeah, so right now, tomorrow, we're gonna be doing something super dope to the car. Actually, I'll just tell you guys now. Tomorrow, we're gonna actually get the hood all fixed up. Right now, you see there's a lot of clear coat thing. That's the only issue with the car, is really have a clear coat and that little bubble crap thing. But other than that, I mean, shit's decent shape, you know what I'm saying? I just gotta get the windows tint, and then definitely get some new wheels. But these OEM wheels are in immaculate shape. There's no word, curb crashes on there or anything like that. The back is the most beautiful about the car, but other than that, gotta do little repairs. This is like a fixer upper, you know what I'm saying? This right here, I'm actually gonna take this shit off either today, depending on how fast I get done with that. But if not, I'm gonna repeel this off and actually repaint it to make it look more neater. And yeah, I'm gonna do that on the other side as well. But yeah, and I get these windows tinted, man. We're gonna get it lower. We're gonna do a lot of shit to it, but look at these headlights. These headlights are fucking trash. So let me show you the headlights that we are going to be installing in this car. Now, these are sick. Okay, let me use my hand. All right. So this is the original headlights, and this is the new one. The new one comes with the black housing, which is fucking amazing. And I like the little details that it have inside the headlights, which is fucking dope. That's something I really like. And it's just a big ass difference. So if you see right here, Boom. It's gonna bring out this car even more. So like I said, big difference. And we're gonna install this. I'm gonna actually move the car in the garage, and it's hot as fuck. We're gonna have to bring that in, and I'm gonna get working on this right now. But yeah, we got it. All right, guys. So I got the car in here. Check out the iVTEC. You know what I'm saying? That VTEC life, man. I love VTEC motor, man. Super, super beautiful. And this is a little, just a little way for you guys to understand. You know what I'm saying? You see that J right there on the VIN? That's meant that the car was built in Japan, which is beautiful. And if it's a T, that means it was built in Texas. So this is a legit JDM car. But anyways, I'm about to hurry up and knock this shit out. I want to get this shit going ASAP, and I don't want to waste time. Keep saying what I'm gonna do. Da, da, da. I'm just gonna knock this shit out. So I'll show you guys once I get the headlights, one of them off or both off. I'm gonna show you guys the next step, and I'm gonna show you guys the new ones. Super, super game changer. Like super game changer. Ah, this shit looks so raggedy. Let's fix it up, y'all. All right, you guys. So I finally took off the bumper. So with this case, you have to take the bumper off to get to the lights. Now, there are videos I was looking on YouTube. They said that there are ways around it, but mostly all the videos that I seen, everybody took off the bumper. So I took the bumper off. That was gonna be like the main hassle, but since I got it off, I'm happy. Got everything off. So now what we're gonna do is take these headlights off, and then we should be good. Yeah, so took me about a good 30-40 minutes to get this shit figured out, because I had some screws that was like super old and rotted up, so I had to use some WD-40, kind of loosen it up, and everything did come out. But looks good. So the car bumper is off, so now I can get to the lights, and let's go from there, y'all. I'm looking like a little bit busted, man. It's definitely got done. So this is the original ones. Done for. And here is the new ones. Night and freaking day. We about to change these, baby. We about to change them. So I'm gonna show you guys how night and day it is. Oh my God. Oh my gosh, y'all. Night and fucking day. New headlights are so much better. These ones are so nice. I got these headlights honestly for like $129. And I love the whole housing, how the background, you see the lines, it's just hella detailed. But the whole background is just all black, which I liked. And the original ones is just all clear. I don't like that look. I like the dark, give it more of that aggressive look. But that thing looks amazing, y'all. All right, so I managed to get the second light off. And these are way easier than my 350Z that I did before. So I test that light, everything's working. So now I just got to put those in. And basically it's just 4 plugs you got to plug in. You obviously can see right here, 1, 2, 3, and 4 on top. And you just basically go right here. Got 1, 2, 3, and 4. Like you see, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So basically what I'm doing is I got to take all 4 of those off and put it onto the back of the new one. And that's all you literally do. It's super easy. The only thing you got to do is just take the bumper off. That's the only downfall. If you've never done it before, that's the only difficult thing, but this is super nice. Let's get it out. This is literally the thing. Hold on. All right, so this is literally what you need to replace is the circles. And like I told you, that's the 4. And you're just gonna take these off. I'm gonna show you an example of how we're gonna do this. So we'll take this part off. All right, and you see there's a little clamp. All you gotta do is just push this back, lift up, and it opens like a door. And then you do the same thing to the original one. You just push up, push back and lift up, and it opens that one. And then we're just gonna put this in here, just like that. And all you just do is close the door, close this little, let's get a nice little grip on here. And then you just push that up and boom, that's it. That's all you do. So I'm about to take these off and put them on where the white supposed to be, and we are all done. All right, guys, hours later, I finally finished the headlights to my car. Looks amazing. They look damn good. And it took me a longer time because I had to go get something to eat. I haven't ate all day. I had work all day. And I had to go buy a boat because one of the lights were out. And at first I was going to say, fuck that boat. I'm just going to put the shit on. But then I was like, nah, fuck it. Let me just actually go do the right thing. So got it. And now all the lights are working. And you can see on the ground the old ones, night and day. So yep, it's night and day. As you guys clearly see, those are the old ones and those are the new ones. I'm just excited. Just already revamped the whole car, and the headlights were so annoying just looking at them, and now we got them back. So now I got to get the bumper intact, tighten up some of the bulbs. Tighten some of the screws, put the bumper back, clean up in here, and I'll show you guys the aftermath. Let's clap.